Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by because I'm about to show you a new grill I bought at the dollar store. We're gonna cook some drumsticks. Drum roll, please. We're gonna cook some chicken legs on a dollar grill from the dollar store. A 2-pack. One's gonna be the top, one's gonna be the lid. You gotta stick around and see how this works. We're gonna put some lump charcoal in here. And wait till you see what we're gonna use for the grill grate. Stick around, it's gonna be fun. All right, let's make a couple of modifications here, and I'm gonna make us a grill out of this aluminum pan, a 2-pack. All you need is a pocket knife, something that'll cut through a coat hanger today. Voila. Put charcoal, lump charcoal here in the bottom of this grill, and then we're gonna make a lid out of this top, this half, just like this. I have one of these, I guess you call this like a, I don't know, banker's clip. Look there. But I only had one, but I found this, like an alligator clip from some old sort of ID badge. Or you could use a clothespin. Use what you got. And now, how are we gonna get any air? We need an air intake and an exhaust. So we're gonna cut a hole here and a hole right here. Let the air in go across our grill and the smoke will come out. This homemade chicken leg maker. You call them chicken legs or you call them drumsticks? I'm just gonna take a monster of a pocket knife, the smallest one I could find. And we're just gonna make us a little door right here. Now we got ourselves an air intake. And guess what? It's adjustable. More air all the way open. Now let's see if we can't do one on the top here. How big do we need? How about that? Got ourselves a vent here for our smoke, and we can certainly choke it down if we want to. Now, what are we going to use for the grill? How about very expensive coat hanger, right? And I could get these at any dry cleaner. I did take a piece of sandpaper and quickly sanded off the coating on this thing, just as I didn't want that to be touching my drumsticks. So we're going to cut this up in pieces and we'll stick it right through the foil here. Eyeball your measurement there. And I think I can probably just punch a hole right through there. Come across to the other side and do the same thing. You hear my neighbor's free alarm clock over there? I expect he ought to offer me up some eggs for having to listen to that every morning. What do you think? Hey neighbor, bring me some cackleberries. Sounds like somebody just laid a cackleberry over there. I'll put a little bend on one end. We have it. We got our clothes hanger grid grill put in place. Now it's just a matter of putting our charcoal in and let's get it lit, see what happens. Hey, this is gonna be fun. This is a great cook. Now you're gonna need something to put underneath this grill, so you don't wanna set it on anything wooden or anything that might get too hot. So we're gonna put this homemade contraption on this brick. And I had a little bit of leftover coat hanger, so I'm just gonna bend it into something that'll fit into the bottom of this thing. We're just going to slide that in there to help elevate our charcoal just a little bit more airflow underneath there. It's not going to hurt anything. Now let's get some charcoal lit. Now if you're new to our channel, You might be surprised how we do things around here. We're actually going to show you how you can light charcoal with Fritos. Fritos or Doritos. Maybe even some Lay's potato chips might be in the future videos. Let's get this charcoal lit. All we need is a handful of starter here. Cheetos, potato chips, Doritos. Do they actually burn? Absolutely they do. So this is all you need to start charcoal. You can start an entire charcoal grill, a big green egg, a Weber, anything like that. Let's throw this down inside here and get these other Fritos going. Now, while this charcoal gets going, we're gonna get a little, ash to it, get it all hot. We're gonna get our chicken legs ready to go. Drumsticks. All right, let's prep our drumsticks. Look, I picked these up. They're fairly inexpensive, under $4 bucks. Got me talking like a chicken. Must be the cackleberries I ate for breakfast. Under $4 bucks. It's their drumsticks. Full-fledged John Bonham drumsticks. See if we can get my pocket knife out here. Now, we'll cut these open and get a couple of them out. Now, you want to make sure you wash all your utensils after you touch any raw chicken, because you don't want to get that salamander. That stuff will wax your rear end. So get a couple of drumsticks. I'm going to throw them in here. Dang, I don't know, man. I thought we were going to do 2, but it looks like 1. Let's prep 2 just to see if we get lucky. I found some poultry seasoning. I'm just going to liberally coat these bad boys. And I know all about popsicle sticking them. Have you ever done that? Let me know. That might be a future video for us. That's a pretty good sized drumstick right there. Drum roll, please. I've accomplished 2 big drumsticks on our portable $1 grill. And word of caution, make sure you have something like a pair of pliers to touch this bad boy, because it do get hot. We are barbecuing drumsticks on a dollar store grill. Ooh, who'd have thunk it? Have mercy, Miss Percy. I'm getting a little color there, aren't we? What about you, big boy? What do you look like? Oh yeah, got the skin's getting some color on it, isn't it? Let's see what we got here. 268 degrees there. Have mercy. Been waiting on the bus all day. Been waiting on the chicken all day, feels like. I bet you we'll be back in about 10 minutes and these legs might be ready to walk on. Hey, our homemade grill, I think it's a success. $1. And we're about to take this thing off and see what's inside here. It took a good while. I'm saying probably about 45 minutes, maybe 50 minutes on this little booger, and it's hot. But we're gonna take a peek inside. Oh, yes, baby. Look at those legs. Hot legs. Rod Stewart would be proud. I threw a couple of jalapenos in there just to see what they would do too. But I am going to pull these off. You know what? This lid is going to come in handy to hold these. And I'm going to be right back. Moment of truth. It's still very, very hot. But look at these beautiful falling apart drumsticks. Yeah, man, drumsticks like John Bonham, baby. You can do this in a $1 grill. I gotta give it a bite. $1 hit. $1 for the grill and $3.96 for the chicken. Thanks for watching. Things at the dollar store. A $1 dollar store dollar bill, y'all. $1 grill. Drum roll, please.